What's up guys, Sparky's here, and you see these lights? These are white and these are supposed to be white. Let's change that. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro. Govee had a first version called the Permanent Outdoor Lights, and I created a video on that and I'll link it up below. But with that version, you can only display colors. If you try to display the color white, it actually shows up like a purple. So they came out with the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro. So with that version, you can have multicolors, you can have the color white, and you can have warm white. You pretty much have the full spectrum of colors, but that's only available in the Pro version. Now I know just recently they came out with the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights 2. With that one you get the white LED, but you don't get the warm white. Or you don't have the option to cut them to length, which you can with the Pro. So that's why the Pro version is the best version, and I'm going to show you the functions on the end of this video. Also stay tuned at the end of this video for a Govee discount code. There's a couple things that I changed since the last video. This time I'm using black stainless steel screws to mount the Govee lights, and I also 3D printed my own brackets. I realized it's a better way to mount the light, and it gives it a nice, secure, clean finish. A lot of people don't own a 3D printer, so there's alternative options. So as you can see me taking down the old lights, I installed 2 straps, one on each side of the light. I'll link those down below in case you want to use them, but that would be my alternative recommendation for mounting these lights. The 3M tape that it comes with does not hold up very well with high temperatures or cold temperatures, so it's better to mount them with screws. Another thing I changed is I mounted the light all the way closest to the edge of the roof, and by doing that I was able to hide the light a lot better, and the light output that shines onto the house is the exact same. I see no difference and it looks cleaner. The installation is pretty straightforward. You just plug in the power supply into a receptacle and make sure that you're starting the Govee lights from the correct starting point, because if you start it backwards you're gonna have to take everything down and do it all over again. But basically you just install each light one by one, making sure that there's tension all the way till you get to the very end. I removed the existing white power supply and replaced it with the new black power supply, and I just followed the trim lines of the house to give it that clean look so I can plug it into a receptacle at the bottom of the wall. Here's a short demo of the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights. As a reminder, that purple tint that you're seeing is supposed to be displaying the color white, and you can see the comparison with my white soffit lighting. And here's after I installed the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro. As you can see, pure white, which is ideal, and I'm going to do a quick demo for you and I'm going to show you a couple scenes. I also just want to add that when you're not using these as holiday lighting or decorative lighting, they make great security lighting, and that's where the white and warm white color temperatures really shine, because it gives it that nice clean look. Alright guys, so as promised on the official Govee website, you can use code Sparky Izzy. Just keep in mind that you can only use that code for certain products for the month, so it'll change month to month on what you can use it on. But I hope you like this video. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. Sparky Izzy, peace.